Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Molecules are everywhere, but which of these 4 samples has the most? We have 100 grams of each compound to compare. Let's go. To find the total number of molecules, we use the mole concept. We divide the given mass by the molar mass of each substance to find the total moles present. Since every sample has the exact same mass of 100 grams, the compound with the smallest molar mass will naturally result in the highest number of moles and molecules. Water has the lowest molar mass at 18 grams per mole, thus option C contains the most molecules compared to the heavier compounds. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given values and check steps for success.